explaining the axis between water and air, grounded in flight. Spinning my mind, contemplating how we got here. Oh, it's a waste of time. Be my dark night, my lover in the moonlight. My legs twist a melody, a smooth, smooth harmony. Be my dark night, my lover in the moonlight. My legs twist a melody, a smooth, smooth harmony. I know that I should be home, but I'm grounded in flight. Life is a close call, I'll catch it on the rewind. I know that I should be home, but I'm grounded in flight. Life is a close call, I'll catch it on the rewind. I'll catch it on the rewind. Hey, I'll catch it on the rewind. I'll catch it on the rewind.
Welcome everybody.
Welcome, glad to see you again. Welcome to beautiful Puerto Rico. Another beautiful place to visit in Puerto Rico is Rincon. Welcome to the beautiful Estela Beach in Rincon, Puerto Rico.
The new Puerto Rico. Go ahead,
Well,
Brenda.
as Scott's already told you, Puerto Rico opened up last night. Yay! People are still a little skittish. It's going to take some time to get back to normal, but we did notice at the beach you have little pods of people. There's some social distancing still going on, but people are getting a little more comfortable in getting out there and having a great time. Beautiful beach.
Now, I do want to give another shout out to Javier of Stuff HD, because when we do a video, okay, a series, we don't just one and done it, okay? No. Now, in our first series, we said that Verizon was not in Puerto Rico, and that has changed since the C-19. So, yes, you now can use your Verizon phones. Other things we've noticed is going into convenience stores, okay? Generally, it's some convenience stores are 4 people. They want a mask on everybody, but for the most part, when you look around the beaches, no, you don't see them there. That gets a little bit much.
Yeah, that's difficult.
Yeah.
But on that same note, there are some grocery stores too that will not allow anybody under 18 in. So you just kind of have to go with the rules, find out what they are, and go with the flow.
That's right. Now, something else I'd like to mention really quick with the new changes. Okay, airline flight is going to be a little harder getting to Puerto Rico. Expect longer delays. Okay, and that is something else we mentioned.
Okay, so as you've seen in previous videos, we like to check out and see what's going on in the different grocery stores and what their prices are. So while we're here in Puerto Rico, let's go check it out. Wow, these prices are so competitive with the mainland. In Puerto Rico, the people in the grocery store are so helpful. Welcome to the beautiful Coconut Palms Inn in Rincon, Puerto Rico. We were lucky enough, Scott barbecued us this wonderful steak and shrimp dinner. Can't wait to dig in. Tender, flavorful, juicy, yum.
Thank you, everybody. Thank you for coming along with us on this journey.
Thank you for spending your time with us. If you did like what you saw, please hit that like button and ring that bell for notifications. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Gracias.
Gracias.